Kukra to me, who Bakashi, Minia Jai, now Kukra, won't to me.
Okay, it's just about 3 minutes past 8. My name, the Minister of Health, Kokwajima Men, one a member of Parliament at the Madoma Central. Na mene me offending common or regime from just last Tuesday up to a year and none pay salt cutting for various projects. But you understanding exactly which of the hospitals, any district or region are mutu anamo. Mezajima Men one pay much at the bench FM.
Yeah.
Of a viable cordial. The Nyamiase. Now, I need you very first quick one. I'm told sir why a short cutting for about 4 or 5 new hospital projects. With my understanding and clarification to that effect.
I'm saying, me a health minister, Baba Shanti here. Initial tour made by 2017. So 5 wages I make when I shut it down. I reported back to the president. Said, by what I observed, he was anti-winning the same. Hospitals were handled Sakakra. If he need Panando, so as I said, also Kakra, you will take Kakra. Now, all the hospitals at the time, 2017, they were here. It looks like now, quite a confanoti, we were not paying much here. Me as Central Ministry, when I realized that they were unfinished hospital, to say the quiet, to say, how do I call it, Kopanochi maternity. I feel Eurojet project President for 4 times, or yeah, the same Kobe, as anti-money one quiet, there were 4 swinging by a notepa, Kodongo, say, well, a military one at a ferry. Nina Bejawo, in the report to Mark, so we have to fix Ashanti region healthcare issues because you as money. And we started working, finding money to do some of these things. Luckily, you just for yesterday, you force to man, your man block progress, you free or man start here. In Tusha, Kodongo is working now. You after is virtually completed, Chepa is virtually completed. Now we trying to compare with we have to fix some more a project. Started now present agenda for districts without hospitals in my internet say we concentrating in Ashanti. And 12 package of 12 hospitals get 5 Ashanti Maniba. Now yenya parliamentary approval from cabinet we necessary ye sort cutting na contractor in your private side. Only affected to know and among. In fact, there's 70% in the back. But exam action at the way we if you have circle and have to form a calculation to the exam. Say semi to make a day. In maybe do have one Wednesday, Yako ye a ye Anson Quanta. La Yako Sabonu Munra, Yako Drobonso. In Tiaka Bako center of Kumasi town. Swami. And Swami has a problem with us Africa. Into Buswaye, whenever first a bit to me a design where we have a very Swami so short cutting. That's some family was anti Manila. But it so well.
The minister, me tell you, the 4 of a new hospital now. Why short cut now? We be see for the region. And no Yebaya district or which type of hospital?
40-bed facilities. And this hospital is not present here, and also very addition to the.
Minister, you were best 7 a year not completed. I don't know year and son a year short cutting for new ones.
Now, no, me challenging if I say Moncania, yen so money and not 9 men fair, yeah. What I say, I can confirm maternity block, but we are standing at hospital, Sabronuma. None is Sabronum for any year.
Okay.
Because that will take about 3 years to complete. What I say?
Yeah.
The Choir Hospital, we virtually completed. Yebe Commission and Sanya Twaba.
Okay.
We virtually completed. Yebe Commission and Sanya Twaba. Konongo work is ongoing. Sewa work is ongoing. And the special treatment center back on Preston, I can't say what they know. and so contractor was site or yet, right? Problem I in Kumawuni for Minano, and also you are working for in every I explain I deal with several locations. Luckily, contractor no mobilized was site. This week, maybe about that credit, they can't see any a the report I'm getting is the work is slowed down. But here the finance for the Kasa to clear the contractor no being as an pushy, the whole apple factor. Inti Kamba Kumbi, my ye, our day was we are Sunday, a new hospital. Problem so what order?
So
the enthusiasm of any break. So I will trouble so. Inti any Brenya, a cabinet approval, parliament approval, Sikaya Redia. Well, yentell me if I the answer ya
no ye phrase ye shortcut na kosi minister how many months and ye be or years
the 12 packages no nye one contractor me ye nyina enye asantimane monkwa na no me kuka so the wo adukrum ebi okofo di adwuma po Eastern region about 3 no right woman in ye the back echo me mahafo into njantra ho. So it's like Bamed project, a 40-bed facility with a theater, with staff accommodation for about 4 staff, minor suite theater, a suite, a laboratory, 40-bed. We have different departments, pediatrics, male, female, and all these. I between a house a very good doctor to sit in there to solve our health problems for us.
How many months? Yes, any idea, Baby?
A month, and all these things you complete in 36 months.
36 months. I think, but source of funding.
Source of funding, no, year from Austria. Bamed for no yen will bank you hold from in bank check also bank. That be my Sikado.
I see.
We are using close to 71 million euro to finish all these 12 facilities.
And away any I was saying the 88 proposed hospital presidents are starting next year. Any extra new 6 ones to the new regions no.
There be.
Wow. I see.
President, make Canada be on secure prayer mon pick me. Papa no I did that for my super ye paper human nipa ya petrem puntu wasem. A school ne I yare wasem. Upon the adwuma. It is putting a lot into these areas. Now was somebody leader cry into health around the globe. So can I say you a universal health coverage, United Nations, Bekoye, or no Germany, Norway, never trigger support. Then they come and WHO. Now you have action planner. The whole world, you may follow the efforts so you may achieve universal health coverage. It has become an icon in health across the globe. Until almost many have said 2030 universal health coverage, I see it to be achievable. So it's putting a lot of investments. And Sakurane, Yare, Ebeba.
Okay.
Everybody, you have checked the towards infectious disease control. Or support here, do a lot more for infectious diseases. They say, Akoji, Dr. Fempombo facility there were twice, you are preparing ventilators, consumables for you, the trading for COVID issues in Kwao. I know you are creating 70 bed spaces for people, say, I don't know, baby and Nipa. In addition to master staff and Confanochi, we were preparing some part of the quiet for infectious diseases, virtually completed. Last month, it became Kotepa. Honestly, if it says, I don't know, but so can say, you need to know, baby, honestly, prepared. We are virtually completed, but we go for infectious diseases. So these are things we are doing, not to less sentiment across the country. So we are putting I think in around when it's ready, say, all your schools obey up in addition to infrastructure as well. Then Yabra Oguswa Oye.
Orako Kwajima Menu, Minister of Health and Member of Parliament at the Madoma Central. And Opemeda was Bibinia Ebesan Atonsa from T na Yepesinya that clarification. Thank you very much. Kwajima Menu na Motening.